Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the buttons mapping for MX Master 3 for MacBook. And to do this you will need to download this Logitech software from their website, and inside in the mouse you can find most of the buttons besides the left and right click, and you should be able to adjust them by clicking on each of the wheels corresponding to the button. And in this case there's the button on the left, and here we can customize options for it, like recommended, so you can choose whichever options you like to use on this specific button, like open file, folder, and etc. You can do the same thing with most of the buttons, and it's kind of pointless to show you all, but yep, here's all of the controls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.